Well, Waleswide Cymrugyfan. Welcome to Waleswide, a church planting and strengthening network working with evangelical leaders and groups and churches and networks across the nation of Wales. We aim to promote and encourage the development of churches that exist or the planting of new churches in order to see the gospel spread through this land of Wales, particularly into the neediest areas.
Tylus down in the Rhondda Valley has always been a close community, and although perhaps aspects of that have deteriorated after the mines have gone, it's still a close-knit community, and the church needs to be a fully serving part, functioning part of that, fully involved.
Wel, mae Cymrugyfan yn dre glan môr. Mae'n le prysur iawn yn yr ha. Lot o bobl yn dod ar ei gwyliau i'r dre, ond mae boblogaeth yn fan hyn o ryw 1,800 o bobl, a nhw di'r bobl da ni'n ceisio estyn allan iddyn nhw fel eglwys, y rhai sy'n byw yma drwy'r trwch.
Llanfychlin is actually in North Montgomeryshire, which is the northernmost part of Powys. It's a very rural kind of area and is also a very bilingual area as well. As a church, we meet in Llanfychlin, but we serve a wider community, a rural community, which encompasses about 6 to 8 villages.
The Morva and the New Dock area is an area that has been designated a community's first area, so that implies that there are significant problems and issues there, problems of lower income families, problems of certain social difficulties that they face as well. But nevertheless, in the midst of that, it's an incredibly strong sense of community. There's people that have lived there for years.
Blenavon's a community's first area, and it's at the top of the Gwent Valley. It's about half an hour from Newport. And it's a lovely place to be. The community's very strong there. And it takes a bit of time to get used to it when you first move in, but it's a lovely place to be.
We highly value the local church. We believe it's God's means for establishing the church across the world. And so we want to see local churches established or strengthened in community after community to spread the gospel and to see Christians discipled.
Mae gan Gymru dreftadaeth Gristnogol ryfeddol. Ac eto erbyn heddiw, gellir dadle mae ond tua 300 o'r boblogaeth sydd yn Gristnogion neu yn honni ffydd bersonol yn yw. Gellir dadle bod hi'n argyfwng arnom fel eglwysi. Mewn llawer tre a phentre, pryn yw'r cynulleidfaoedd lle mae reality Cymdeithas o Gredinwyr yn bodoli. Cynulleidfaoedd lle mae'r Beibl yn cael ei arddel fel gair Duw, lle mae Iesu yn ganolog a'r efengil yn flaenoriaeth. Mae hyn yn arbennig o wir mewn cymunedau Cymraeg i haith, bod yna rhyw ffurf o grefydd yn goroesi.
A rhywbeth arall sydd newydd ddechrau ydy astudiaeth feiblaidd yn Gymraeg, a da ni fel eglwys yn gweithio ar y cyd efo un o capeli'r dre i gynnal hynna. Felly mae'n gyfarfod bach, ond da ni'n gweld bod pobl yn cael ei annog wrth ddod at ei gilydd i drafod y Beibl ac i weddio.
Heddiw felly mae angen dybryd i gefnogi a chynorthwyo rhai hynny sy'n arloesi yn ein trefi a'n cymunedau yn enw yr efengil.
There are a number of ways in which we support and work with believers and groups across the nation.
Waleswide have helped us at Acts Community Church in many ways, but giving us that big picture of what God is doing across the country and sharing with us that whole experience and wealth of knowledge has been invaluable.
They're there to pastorally care for you if need, to mentor, as well as just to help you to learn from their mistakes as well as their successes in how to best actually reach out into your particular community.
At the start, it was a lot they were involved with the training aspects, and now that I've started in the ministry, they've put together a support team for me with different ministers, all experts in different areas that give me advice and go over the work with me.
Waleswide has a working group of leaders and church planting practitioners from across the evangelical spectrum. This team works together to lead and coordinate the work of Waleswide. In Waleswide, we look to identify the key areas of greatest need and then look for the people on the ground who are working in those areas so that we can pull around them support, encouragement, training and expertise to help them in their mission.
The big help for me from Waleswide, I guess, was to question and challenge the way that I think about Christianity, about my own life, about church life.
Mae jyst gwybod bod ni'n rhan o rwydwaith o eglwysi sy'n debyg i ni, rhai sydd yn fach fel ni ella, yn gwneud yr un math o waith. Mae hynna yn galondydd mawr.
To be able to have the support that they offer, the insights and skills that they actually bring with them and the experience that people within Waleswide have in similar ministries to our own is tremendously useful.
Mae cynadleddau a digwyddiadau wedi bod yn rhan anatod o geisio ysbrydoli ac arfogi eglwysi ym maes plannu a chryfhau.
The first one was sort of an overall conference, really, just getting the churches together, and they were looking at church planting and then evangelism from more traditional churches. And we found that really encouraging because we got to meet with a lot of other leaders closer to our age, which was very encouraging, just to chat and say, you know, what are you going through? Oh, I'm not the only one going through that.
Well, after the conference, you need the companions to actually walk with you, and Waleswide for us has been a place that has offered the conferences, but it's also offered the companionship as we seek to serve the Lord in our context here.
Cefnogir Cymrugyfan gan arweinwyr o fewn I bob ffrwd enwadol yng Nghymru, ynghyd â'r prif rwydweithiau hefyd. Yr ydym hefyd mewn perthynas gyda y gyngrau'r efengyloedd a mudiad efengyloedd Cymru.
Like you, we really want to see the gospel effective and prospering in Wales. There are a number of places where we're already working with churches and leaders in order to do that, but there are many more. And you can be involved and work with us in that also. You can tell your leaders and explain to the church about the work of Waleswide. You can give financially, and the church particularly to do the same, but especially you can pray. There are regular prayer items put on the website for you to pray personally and as a church.
I think that most churches could benefit from having a fresh perspective, an outside viewpoint, someone to provide a sounding board, and I'd encourage everyone to consider getting involved with Waleswide.
Mae'n wych gweld y Cymru Di-Gymraeg a'r Cymru Cymraeg yn gweithio lawn llaw i'r llys Iesu Grist.
It's not just the conferences, it's the companionship.
Mae Nghymru, mae angen I ni sefyll ochr yn ochr a'n gilydd, a mae Cymru Gyfan yn gwneud gwaith gwych o ran cysylltu eglwysi.
For young leaders like ourselves, Waleswide has been brilliant for mentoring and people management.
If you're a leader, maybe we can help you. But you can work with us to help others. Can you put it on the agenda for your leaders or your church meeting? Because we need your church and every church in Wales to be actively participating in this mission for the gospel's sake, to see communities transformed and the whole nation changed. For further details of how we can work together, please visit our website or contact us on 0845 337 0823.